Hello, today we're going to do just a basic swimsuit. It's going to be part one. And then part two, I'm going to show you how to, which would be this is lesson 41. So the other one's going to be lesson 42. I'll show you how to maybe embellish this swimsuit and be more creative. But this one is going to be very, very basic. So we're going to go up to get our pen tool here, and we're going to just start drawing here in the 2D window. We're going to start maybe here from the mid part here. We're going to go like this, this. Okay. Going to do something like this, and we double click. Okay. Let's see. So here we have already a sort of a form here. If you've noticed, follow the way I traced it out here like this. And even the crotch section, we trace it like this. Of course, there are different ways to do this. Now, what we're going to do is we need now to shape it. So we're going to go to our edit pattern tool. And maybe here we can just bring this point up a little. We can right click, convert it to a curve point. We can go over here to the edit curve, the edit arc tool that is, and we can just curve this like in here like this for now. Here we can just make a slight curve here, okay, where the leg is. And let's try to understand here what's going on. Here, back to the edit pattern tool, we can bring this down here a little like this. We can also add a point here, and by adding this point here, we can edit it by bringing this part here up like this, because this little one piece is a quarter of the swimsuit. Now, if you're satisfied already, let's see if we can, well, this point here, we can always make it bigger or smaller. So if you're satisfied already, we can just right click and do a symmetric pattern here, like that. Here we can just Control C, Control V, and we can just get a copy. We can just put it to the back like that. Now make sure that it's on the right side. Okay, so we uncheck cloth thickness because okay, this is the wrong side. So we're gonna right click and we're going to flip it horizontally, oh, or orientationally rather. Okay, so here it is. Now we can begin sewing and see what happens. Okay. Okay, if we need to sew these pieces in the window here, an easy thing we can do is we go to our select move to click on the avatar, right click, and we could just hide the avatar. So when we hide the avatar, it's easy for us to see what we're doing. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, good. Now, if you want to bring back the avatar, we right click and we show all avatars. Okay, the avatar is back and we can just simulate. Okay, let's adjust this strap here. Okay, strap. We can lengthen the strap if it's too tight, if it's going into the skin or so. And let's see. Or we could even offset, do an offset. Here's what we're going to do an offset. We click on the avatar, okay, and we can just use a skin offset like this. Okay, so now the material doesn't go into the skin. Let's up it a little bit. Okay, maybe that's better. So here, if you want to, we're going to here fix it right here now. This part of the pattern piece, we can just use our edit arc tool again. Here, we're going to shape it a little better here. Okay. Let's see the back. I think the back is good enough. I think if it wants to be, you want to shape that a little better too. Okay. And this is a very, very basic. Another thing we can do is we can even join the pieces. Just click on the edit pattern tool. You click on these lines, right click, and you merge them. Okay, so it's merged. Right click on this to cancel the axis. So there's no more symmetry. And we can also, it's easy to get rid of those lines. Here again, we do the same thing at the back, merge, okay, and just cancel the axis. Simulate, and here we have it. So this is really very, very basic. If we want to, we're using the default fabric, we can add some color to this bathing suit. And we can even go and try to, we can even get a pattern. Okay, like that. Yes. We can even add a pattern to this bathing suit. So I will get a pattern here. Here it is. Let's just select both of them. We drag and drop. And here we have sort of a tiger thing going on here. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.